Hey girl, hey, it's your girl Cita here. If you're new, welcome. If you're coming back, hey girl, hey, hi. So what we got up for today, I did a Dollar Tree run and I didn't take you in because I figured I can just grab everything one hand, no problem, no problem. I needed both. Needed both, girl. So I ended up getting some removable hooks for the refrigerator so I could put the boys' lunchboxes, hang their lunchboxes up. Then I got some peel dividers. I don't know, girl, because these are two different types. I wanted to separate my vitamins by it so that way I keep up, but like I think this one might be too small for all the vitamins I take. I don't know, but this is kind of what I was looking for, so we got that because that's what I was looking for. And then I picked the bigger one up only for the simple fact because it's bigger, but I realized it's got like morning and evening, which really shouldn't matter because I don't know, we'll see. I got some more night lights, some lamps, because the bulb in the living room in my Himalayan lamp, it went out. What else I get? Oh, some more cups for the house. I think that was it. I feel like I'm missing one. That must be it. I don't see it. I don't remember because the bag is empty now. So that's what I got with that. See why I was like, look, Mom, no hands. So yeah, so we're back at the house. All right, I remember what it was. They're still in the bag. I had another bag. But I got these for tea. I got two of these. Scooty Scoop. And two. Because I have some loose tea in some bags. I want to take those out of those bags because the bag is not full. Sorry, I know that's not a good blaring angle, but yeah, that's all we got from Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna actually I guess we'll put all this stuff up together and then we'll take it from there, because apparently you're just talking to my chest and not me. It's okay. That's all on me. But yeah, so that's my Dollar Tree finds. The only thing I didn't get was the cups, the mugs for the boys. This one didn't have it with the monogrammed letter on there. So we went, plus I went to a different one, and I went not too long before. Yeah, so it could just be that one just was out, or it could just be we went like a couple of months ago, and you know it's June now, so there's no telling. But yeah, so now I can put this stuff up and then we can get on to it. Ooh, look at the kale. Something is tagging the heck about this broccoli. Get off me. The rest of it looks, oh, something took a big old hole right there. Look at the little, right in the center. Right in the center. That's where the broccoli come in at. The big bulb. The base. So, something is tagging at this base. Huh? I wonder if it's these ants. They is all over this. Look at the rosemary done grew. My mint is thriving. That's what's left of his petunias, unfortunately. He's got a strawberry there and a strawberry right there. We'll check back in on them later. Girl, to come back in the house, I'm back there in the backyard with y'all, and I keep hearing this noise, and I'm like, what the heck is that noise? It's like this tapping noise. Like it's not making any sense to me. Girl, come around the corner. The neighbor next door has their bathroom window open, so I can hear everything going on in their house. Well. So I can hear everything that's going on in the bathroom. Like they must be cleaning the bathroom or something, so you can hear them hitting. I'm like, what is that noise? So, and I guess if I stayed out here any longer, the water for the tub would be well and overdone because it's where I needed to be. hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.